Hey guys, so I'm just here. I'm sorry I didn't show you guys what I was doing to my hair before, but I just invested in some coconut oil.
Perfect weather. Hanging out on the deck with good friends.
So I'm
deliciously smooth.
I'm conditioning my hair.
Made with Bailey's. Just
and
Bailey's.
so yeah, I just applied the coconut oil. I'm
It's that simple and
plastic
delicious.
cap over there for about
Bailey's.
45 minutes.
Cheers to shiver
And then
season.
wash it out. Need to flat
Learn
my
how to make
hair.
a shiver with
I'm not
Bailey's
going
by
out.
visiting
And I
Bailey's
can't
on
be going out with no
Facebook.
clothes. You know what I'm saying? Like I try to look 16. You understand? So yeah, I'm gonna go do this right now.
Everyone
and honestly,
this guy likes choices.
I twisted my hair and I left it while I was doing like the other sections, I part of the 4 sections, and like the 3 sections that were twisted came out like beautifully, like my hair is like falling.
I'm not sure that's
That never happens when I twist my hair and it's just like
Subway,
so.
eat fresh. Limited time only, additional charge for license, prices, and participation may vary, plus tax will applicable.
I'm all oily.
At Turbulent Ted tweets, I found a great hotel overseas, but I'm afraid of flying. Any advice?
Yeah.
Well, at Turbulent Ted, try flying with
stuff,
clowns.
but
They're much scarier than flying, so they'll keep you distracted from your fear of flying.
No matter how you get there, book on Hotels.com by August 3rd to save up to 50% with the summer celebration. Hotels.com, the obvious choice.
It's time.
You need to do
Goodbye.
something.
Okay guys, I'm gonna go.
Yorkville
do this
University's
stuff,
offering an
and,
exciting
yeah.
Bachelor of Business Administration program.
Maybe if you let me be your lover, maybe if you tried, then I would not bother. I know you're trying. I know you're trying.
Good morning to all my friends and subscribers and family here on YouTube. How are you guys doing today? Yay, yay, yay. I'm wearing my Bye Felicia shirt today. Thank you, Kamal. I love it. Oh my gosh. I freaking love it. Bye. Bye, Felicia. I just missed my bus. Ain't nobody got time to be running for that. But I am heading to my goddaughter's. Actually, I'm going to Autumn's. I gotta do her hair. And yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna do her hair, and today it's Friday, so I don't know, my hair is not done, so I can't turn up really. But yeah, so far that's what I'm doing. So I'm just heading to her house right now. I'm gonna stop and grab something to eat, and yeah, that should be about it for now. So yeah, when I get there, I'll see y'all. Guys, I'm struggling. I have all this bags. Yeah, like I went to Wine Rack. I know it's only like 12 in the day, but yeah, like I had to buy the stuff. It's 12 bottles of wine. 3 bottles of wine for $20? 3 bottles? It's gonna be a great weekend. Yeah? No? Yeah? Okay. Anyways, walk into Autumn's house. I can't even be too loud because I'm in the ghetto. I don't even know where I'm going. I'm gonna try walk through some back routes and ting and see if I can reach my destination. I mean, I've driven this way, but like I've never walked, so I don't know if it's like a catwalk or we can go through for reach faster. I don't see one. I don't know if I want to walk through it. Again, like I said, I'm in the hood. Why does that plane look like that? Oh my god. Okay, there's somebody coming. I don't know why this choker won't just stay choked. You know what I'm saying? Oh. Where does that look like it leads to? Let's see. If I get lost, we just have to turn back around and come back this way. You understand? I don't know where me I'll go. But just wish me luck, okay? Let's see. I have a good sense of judgment and direction. Because I think I'm lost. Can walk out here. Okay, I'll be right back, guys, because I think I'm lost. Hey guys, we're back. I'm with my girls. Guess what just came? The pizza just came. Oh my god, we're having pizza.
Sorry, this is a girl from the barbecue from Auntie Zoe. And you remember me, you guys, right? I'm gonna be famous. And it's not Auntie Zoe.
No, I mean.
Move, wanna move. The pizza's here. You guys. Oh. Do you guys see this? Oh my god, the pasta and the move. Wanna move. Go away. None of it's for you. Shoo. I said move. Those plates that you put in your room, go pick it up now. Did I see those things up? Bring the plates. Bring the plates, Autumn. You bring them up. Girl, you bring them over. Are you guys seeing this stuff? Did I put those stuff in your room now? Yo. As you can see, Autumn's hair didn't even start yet, bruh. And it's almost nighttime and I'm in the hood, dog. I gotta, you know? Yo, the pizza man came fast, dog. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for the pizza, sir. Thank you for the pizza.
Hi, my name is Anaya. This is a girl from the barbecue. Let's say for 20 Super Fun. I'd be very sad. I know it's in my voice, but I'm just trying to say that. So, here's my Auntie Zoe. Just let me go get her. Auntie Zoe.
Yes, I'm busy now.
See, this is my auntie.
I'm gonna share all of the pizza. We're gonna eat on Elmo today. Yes, we are.
July 31st is my birthday. I'm gonna send every single thing to everybody.
No, we got your birthday party. I'm gonna record it.
Okay. So anyway, I'm gonna have so much fun. I'm gonna go to Chuck E. Cheese everywhere because everybody loves me. I can't believe when I'm going to be famous. That's what right?
Who said you're gonna be famous? Famous for what? What are you gonna be famous for?
Because I'm on YouTube.
And just because you're on YouTube doesn't mean you're gonna be famous.
Yeah,
So how much you want?
Me too. So anyways, bye.
You just want this? Watch me whip. Watch me nay.
Watch me. Watch me, You watch me whip.
Now watch me whip. Now watch me nay. Now watch me whip. Watch me nay. Now watch me whip. Watch me nay. Now watch me whip. Watch me nay. Ooh, watch me. Ooh, watch me. Ooh, watch me.
You watch me whip. You watch me nene.
Watch me wet.
You watch me nene. You watch me where? You watch me, Nene.
You want to where?
Autumn, wine now. I can show you how you wine. Lord Jesus.
Let me take a picture of the map.
No, there's no pictures.
No, let me do positive.
No, move.
Wash your glass and plant your pizza.
Yo, I have the itis, yo. Oh my gosh. People, I'm tired now. I'm tired. I need to take a nap. Yeah, I need to nap. You understand? What may I say to your people? Yeah, I'm tired. I'm going to take a nap. Home time! After a long ass day, I'm going home. Ooh. Yeah. I bought one especially. Autumn, let's see your hair. Ooh. Ooh. I like it. Who did your hair?
Auntie Zoe.
Hey. Bye, Zanaya.
Bye, Zanaya.
You're not on it. Why does everybody need to know that you're coming? No, this one. What's wrong with you? You want to go to grandma's?
Yeah.
You're going to go tomorrow. It's only one sleep. It's already nighttime, so it's going to come just now, and then you're going to be at grandma's. Why are you so sad?
I'm going to have to sleep all night.
So?
Stop putting on me on video. Yes, you can have 3 horns.
You have 4 horns, not 3.
It doesn't mean you can laugh at me.
I'm not laughing at you. I'm talking to you. I'm having a conversation with you. I'm not laughing at you.
Yes, you are.
Shoot. Pour more upon the Gaza.
Let me see Zanaya.
You see her?
Yeah. Ugly quack face.
That's not a nice name to call your sister. Autumn, you need to get fat.
I know.
You know?
But then I keep on holding me. And I keep on staying.
You need to eat some more food, man. Yeah, like she's Margaret. Shamaga like, whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah. You understand, little girl? You are not allowed to have a boyfriend ever. Husband never.
And Zanaya too.
No, just you.
You're not allowed to have one.
You are not allowed to have a boyfriend.
You see my hairstyle?
Are you listening to what I'm saying? You are not allowed to have a boyfriend.
Listen.
Do you understand?
Yes.
What did I say?
I'm not allowed to have a boyfriend.
Huh?
I'm not allowed to have a boyfriend.
Good girl. You are not allowed to have no.
So what the freak are you videotaping?
Yeah. I'm a baby mother that. Yeah, she give me 2 pitney and a niece. Big tough girl, open up the door, man. Big and tough, like with your 4 hand.
Say bye, hand.
Bye. Bye. Come on for me, man. Toodles. Move, CP24, move. You're big enough. Like, bye guys. Have fun at your party, Autumn. Have fun at grandma's, Naya. Bye. Okay, so now it's just me by myself. Oh, I gotta get out this token. I'm going to Wild Wings. I'm going to Wild Wings. Yeah, I eat so bad. But I hate that thing. And I don't want to miss a train. My train is here. Yeah, it's here. All right. Toodles.
What you say, I'm okay. What you say, I'm okay.